Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be just showing you what my first box looked like when I first subscribed to Facetory. And Facetory is basically a subscription box for face masks. So yeah, I just got interested because instead of going out and buying the face mask, I was like, you know what, I'll try the subscription box where it just comes to me every month. Yeah, I got my first package here from Facetory, and I started it December 2018, so I got the December box. During the time that I was subscribing for the box, they have this promo ongoing that for your first subscription box you'll get 5 free masks with this code. So I did use that. So with the box that I got 5 free more masks, and the subscription that I got was the one with the seven face masks, and there was another one with just 4. But if you guys are wondering how much I pay, so for the box it's like $19, and for shipping I have to pay like $6 because I do live in Canada and the subscription box is from States, so I pay in total about $25 US. I'll just show you guys what I got. So first I'll show you guys what I got for the 5 free masks. And for the 5 free masks, it doesn't come with any like instructions or anything like with English instructions. Some of it might like the back of it, some of it does have English instructions, some of it don't, so I might just have to search it up. But I'll just show you guys what I got for the 5 free masks. So the first one I got here is a collagen anti-wrinkle mask, and it's from Lapcos. And then next one is this one, and it's from the brand Her Story. It's a moist skin acquiring system. It's an aqua mask sheet. So that's the second one. The third free one I got is this one. It's from Blossom Jeju, the island of flowers and fruits, and it's a 2-step mask. And then the third one is this one. It's a Dr. LA by Skin Talk and a V-Talk mask. So I just got that. It's my fourth one. And then the last free mask that I got is this one. It's a Deep Aqua System mask by InSBN. So now I'm just gonna show you guys what's in my December box. So when I open it, it says just keep glowing Facetory. So the theme for the December box is sheet mask and chill. So it's the card right there. And yeah, it also comes with a card with all the products inside, and it tells you the instructions and like the ingredients or the key ingredients and benefits. So that's one there right there. And then here's the 7 masks. So first mask is this one, and it's by Facetory, and it's their detox purifying pore mask with charcoal and volcanic ash. So it's right there, and I'm just gonna read the key ingredients and the benefits from each face mask. So this one has charcoal powder that binds to impurities to remove dirt, toxins, and excess oils from the pores, and the volcanic ash extract helps remove impurities and treats acne and inflammation, making it great for oily skin types. And the retail price for this is $4 US. And then the next face mask is this Pano Baggy Skin Recovery Mask. It's a milk thistle repair mask. So right there, and this one has 2 key ingredients, and it's the first one is Silibum marinium or milk thistle seed extract, and it contains anti-aging and anti-glycation and aging reaction between the sugars and proteins in your skin, properties helpful in protecting against UV radiation and slowing down the skin's aging process. And the second key ingredient is anise or anise, a fruit extract, contains antioxidant and astringent properties to aid in protecting the skin from free radicals, and it retails for $3.50 US. The third one is this one. It's by 23 years old Cocoon Gold Silky Mask. One right there. And this one has two key ingredients as well. So the first key ingredient of this is silkworm cocoon extract, which contains a powder protein called sericine to prevent dehydration and boost moisturizing properties in other ingredients. And the second one is willow bark extract. This is a natural exfoliant that will clear your pores to promote clearer, healthier looking skin, and it retails for $5. Oh, and this is the fourth mask. And fourth mask is by Dr. Althea Althea Water Glow Skin Renewal Hydrogel Mask. And two key ingredients. First one is jojoba seed oil. This emollient helps soothe the skin and unclog hair follicles, commonly used to treat acne, dry skin, and sunburns. And then the second one is niacinamide, and it improves the appearance of enlarged pores and even skin tone and strengthens the surface of your skin, and it retails for $6. And then the fifth one is this one is Shiolate Pollutant Defending Mask, all skin types. There's three key ingredients for this. First key ingredient is broccoli extract, which contains sulforaphane to protect your skin as it does not absorb UV rays, and upregulates cells to protect against UV damage. Second one is fig extract, which has high in vitamins A and C. This helps to promote exfoliation and elimination of superficial skin cells, making for refreshed, renewed skin. And then the third one is cabbage extract, which contains skin healing properties that soothes your skin while also keeping it looking healthy, and retails for $3.50 US. And then the sixth mask, which is second to the last, is Simply When Snow Song Eliminate Dull Looking Skin. So it's the sixth. Three key ingredients as well. First one is niacinamide, which improves the appearance of fine lines and even skin tone and strengthens the surface of your skin. Second one is sodium hyaluronate, a great skin restoring moisturizing ingredient that provides benefits for aging skin. And the third one is aloe berbetensis leaf extract, which soothes and hydrates the skin with its anti-inflammatory properties. And this one retails for $4 US. And then the last face mask for this is a 3-step face mask, and it's by Daycell Probiotics Lactobacillus Bacteria 3-step total solution. The first one is in here, second one is the mask, and third one is like a type of cream. This one has three key ingredients. So the first one is betaine salicylate, which is derived from sugar beets. This BHA ingredient is gentle and has exfoliating properties while also improving the skin's tone and texture. Second one is bifida ferment filtrate, which contains hydrating and soothing properties while offsetting oxidative skin damage in the presence of UV light, making it great for sensitive skin types. And the third one is beeswax, which contains antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties to protect against irritants and keep your skin calm. And this one retails for $5 US. That's all what I got for my December Facetory box, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.